Welcome to the session, dear students. So in my last class, we have studied problems and relations and functions, 5 markers and 2 methods. One is composite function method, one is bijection method, finding invertibility. We have done. So now in today's class, we will go to the problems where we are solving properties. Along with the properties, we are also solving some of the special problems. So we will start with the first property or first proof. They are asking you, show that they are asking to prove GOF is 1 1. They told F is 1 1 and G is 1 1. F is 1 1 and G is 1 1. They are asking you to prove GOF is also 1 1. So now all of you know what is meant by 1 1. All of you know method of proving 1 1. Mathematically, for all x1 comma x2 belongs to domain, suppose if maps A to B, if I take domain A, if f of x1 equal to f of x2, finally x1 should become equal to what? X2. This is the method of to prove. But if it is 1 1, if f of x1 equal to f of x2, that implies x1 should be equal to x2 because the function is 1 1. Now they clearly gave f is 1 1, g is also 1 1. ಅವರೇ f11 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರೇ g11 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So I am repeating, if a function is 1 1, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 and x2 should be same. All of you know meaning of 1 1. 1 1 means what? A function is said to be 1 1 if different elements have different images. Different elements should have different images. Suppose image of x1 equal to image of x2, then x1 and x2 both should be same. Now coming to the point, here they told f is 1 1, given f is 1 1, f is 1 1, and also if you read, they told g is also 1 1, g is also 1 1. Now our job is to prove GOF is 1 1. Now I need to prove GOF, composite function g of f of x is 1 1. Now let us consider GOF x1 is equal to GOF x2. I'll take this, and before I take two variables, they should belong to domain. Domain is what? A. So always, so let us start the proof. Proof is simple. First we'll take let x1 comma x2 belongs to domain. What is the domain in GOF? First set. First set means what? A. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to A. We will consider GOF x1 is equal to GOF x2. Now that implies, all of you know GOF x1 means what? G of f of x1 is equal to g of f of x2. Further, f of x1 and f of x2, I can write f of x1 is same as what? You know, g of f of x1, g of f of x2, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to what? X2. I can write g of x1 is equal to what? G of x2, because f of x1 and f of x2 are same. Further I can write x1 is equal to x2, since here f is 1 1, since here g is 1 1, therefore GOF x1 is equal to GOF x2. We arrived at x1 equal to x2, therefore GOF is also 1 1. What is 1 1 function? If two elements have same image, then the element should be same. GOF x1 means image of x1 is equal to image of x2. Finally x1 and x2 are same. Here f of x1 and f of x2 gives you x1 and x2 because f is 1 1. F is 1 1, f of x1 equal to f of x2 makes x1 equal to x2. That's it. So now we proved this. Similarly, we have A maps to B and B maps to C. If GOF maps to AC, they want you to prove onto. Onto means what? All of you know, if I take a function f maps A to B, y belongs to codomain, y should be function of x, and when you solve, x should belong to A. Means every element in codomain should have image, then we call it as onto. So first we'll say let C, let us assume C, Z element Z belongs to, I'll take C. That means G of Z should give you one element called Y, or otherwise you take an element in codomain. Say here this is codomain. I'll take, let us assume Z belongs to C. Then Z is image of Y, because G is onto. If a function is onto, every element in codomain should have image. So Z is having image called Y. This is one thing. Since G is onto, call it as 1. Now Y belongs to codomain, that is B, and I can say Y is function of X. Why Y is function of X? Call it as 2. Since F is onto, they gave, what is meant by onto? Onto means what? Every element in codomain should have image in domain. So Z is G of Y, Y is F of X. Now I'll take GOF. I'll take GOF X. All of you know GOF X means what? G of F of X. G of, what is F of X? Y. What is G of Y? Z. And Z belongs to what? C. So when I find element, when I find the image of element, it is present in C. That belongs to C. That belongs to what? C. Therefore F is onto. So now we proved 1, 1 and onto. So first they asked you to, they gave two functions which are onto. Then we want to prove GOF is onto. First you learn mathematical way of representing onto. Onto means what? Every element in codomain should have image in domain. G is onto means if I take an element in C, then it should have image in B. And if I take an element in B, it should have image in A, because F is onto. Finally, if I take Z in C, its image should be here. And reverse also you can do. So now we have proved onto. From here it's important. Now we will go ahead with sample problems. Very important. They are asking you to prove neither 1, 1 nor onto. Neither 1, 1 nor onto. F is mapping from where to where? Real number to real number. See, it is simple. 1, 1 means different elements should have different images. Here I will take real numbers, one negative, one positive if I take. So now consider minus 1 belongs to R. Do you agree or not? Is minus 1 a real number? What are real numbers? Negative numbers, positive numbers, all numbers are real. F of minus 1. How to find F of minus 1? See what is F of X. What is F of X? 1 plus X square. F of minus 1 means in the place of X put what? X square. Minus 1. 1 plus minus 1 the whole square. It will become 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Now we got F of minus 1, that is 2. Now I will find F of 1. F of 1, image of 1, that will be 1 plus, in the place of X put 1, 1 square, that is 2. F of 1 is also 2. Here F of minus 1 value is equal to F of 1, but minus 1 and 1 are not same, meaning two elements have same image, two distinct elements have same image, therefore it is not 1, 1, therefore F is not 1, 1. I want you to prove not 1, 1, we proved it by taking one example. This is not 1, 1, F is not 1, 1. Why F is not 1, 1? F is not 1, 1 because image of minus 1 is same as image of 1. Two elements should not have same image. Here I have two elements with same image. F of minus 1, image of minus 1 is also 2, image of 1 is also 2. If two elements have same image, then it is not 1, 1. Therefore, this is not 1, 1. And onto means what? Every element in codomain should have image. See, codomain means second set. Second set is real number. So real numbers, if I write real numbers, all numbers, negative, positive, but here images, if you put any number, your output is positive number. Here Y is equal to F of X and the Y belongs only to R plus, because if I substitute X as negative or positive, you will get a value greater than 1. Greater than 1 means positive. So therefore, if I take any one example, it is more than enough, that is minus 1 belongs to R but does not have pre-image, does not have pre-image. it does not have pre-image, therefore it will not map for anything. So therefore F is not onto. This is one way of answering. What is the other way? Other way of answering is regular method. Let y belongs to codomain, real number, y is image of x, then I will get y is equal to, what is f of x? They give 1 plus x square. Further solve for x. If I solve for x, x square is equal to y minus 1. What is x? Root of y minus 1. See, now this is x, but does not belong to real number. One example I can give. If I take y is equal to minus 5, because y belongs to real number can be negative, I will get x is equal to what? Root of minus 5 minus 1, that is root minus 6, does not belong to real number. Root under negative is not real. Therefore, f is not onto. This is other way of proving onto. So, onto means what? Every element in codomain should have image. So, if I take it should act as image. Every element in codomain should act as image. I am taking minus 5, which is the real number. It does not have image. I am getting an imaginary number. This is other way. Next, what is meant by onto? Every element in codomain should act as image. Here minus 5 is not acting as image. Next, they are asking you, show that modulus function f of x is equal to mod x is neither 1 1 nor onto. Modulus is neither 1 1 nor onto is the thing they are telling. It is simple. How to say it is neither 1 1 nor onto is simple. Modulus function is mapping from, they told, R to R. See, f of x is mod x. Now what I will do? I will take f of minus 1. What is mod of minus 1? Mod of minus 1 is 1. Then I will find f of 1. What is f of 1? Mod 1. Mod 1 is also what? 1. Here f of minus 1 is equal to f of 1. Therefore, but 1 and minus 1 are not same. Two elements ge one image irbardu. For two elements you should not get same image. If two elements, if you get same image, then it is not 1 1. Here for minus 1 I am getting same image, for 1 I am getting same image, therefore it is not 1 1. Now neither 1 1 are onto. It is not onto. You should also prove it is not onto. How to prove not onto? Simple. If I take number system, see now f maps from R to R, R to R. Here all real numbers. I will take simple numbers, minus 1 2. You will also have minus 3 go on, 0 1 2. Here 0 1 2, minus 1 minus 2, so on. See, image of minus 1, f of minus 1. What is f of minus 1? Mod minus 1 is 1. F of 1 1. So f of 0 is 0. F of minus 1 is 1. F of 1 is 1. F of 2 is 2. F of minus 2 is also 2. But these negative elements do not act as image. So here what we say? Codomain and range are not equal, and minus 2, minus 3, so on, negative numbers, minus 1 in that. So minus 1, minus 2, so on, do not act as image. It does not act as image. So therefore it is not onto. All of you know onto means what? Range and codomain should be same. Range means what? Set of images. Here set of images will be only positive numbers with 0. But codomain contains negative numbers also, because codomain is what? Real numbers. So therefore this is not onto. Here you can say like this, by drawing this you can say, or you can give an example. Next, signum function. This is also neither 1 1 nor onto. Why neither 1 1? Because many elements will have same image. What is f of 2? Signum function of this, that is mod x by x, 2 by 2, that is 1. What is f of minus 2? F of 3. F of 3 is mod 3 by 3, that is 3 by 3, that is 1. So image of 2 and image of 3 are same, but 2 and 3 are not same. So two elements have same image, not two elements, many elements are having same images. F of 3, f of 4, any value greater than 1, we will get 1. So therefore f is not 1 1. How to prove not 1 1? Take one example. What is the example I have taken? I took two elements with same image. If two elements have same image, then it is not 1 1. Then not onto. Not onto is simple. Here codomain is all real numbers. So codomain all real numbers. But here only these three acts as images. remaining elements are not acting as images. So, here we will say range not equal to codomain, and other numbers other than -1, 0, 1, all other real numbers will not have pre-image, therefore, it is not onto if you write enough. Then let me summarize. Till now they have not asked in PU board, but important, but first two properties has been appeared, and the other two questions rarely asked questions, but become thorough with that also. And now let me summarize. In this chapter we started with the very first concept, that is relations. In relations I taught you types of relations. What are the types of relations? 6 relations we studied. First, reflexive, symmetric, transitive, equivalence, then void, universal. All 6 relation definitions are important and problems are important. So, you know all the definitions. So, definitions plus problems of relations. Then we studied functions. We studied basically 2 types of functions, one function and onto functions. In functions we studied 2 types of functions, one and onto. We call one and onto as what? Bijective. And we have done problems based on one and onto. And then we studied invertible functions, proving invertible and finding inverse, and finding what? Inverse. Then we have studied very important concept, that is binary operation. After binary operation we studied commutative law, then we studied associative law, and in between we also studied composite functions. So these are the topics in the chapter called relations and functions. Relations, they will give 1 3-mark relation problem generally and 1 mark examples. Functions, when 5-mark question compulsory, they will ask prove that the given function is invertible and hence find inverse. You can do by 2 methods, one is composition function method, the other one is bijection method, proving bijective, that is one and onto. Then invertibility of a function. Then we have problems on binary operation. All of you know what is binary operation. For all a comma b belongs to given set, if a star b also belongs to same set, then we say binary. After binary we studied commutative law. All of you know what is commutative law. A star b is equal to what? B star a. Then we studied associative law, that is a star b star c is equal to what? A star b star c. Then we studied problems on composite functions. Today we have studied some proofs. So this is the whole chapter. 11 marks is the weightage, as I told you. Please sit and revise and become thorough, and we will discuss some other concepts, but I am giving a simple assignment. I am asking you to do this assignment. The assignment is set according to the model paper. I have asked this question, let star be a binary operation on the set Q, a star b is equal to ab by 4 and find identity element. This is a generally asked 1 marker, and they gave a composite function, they want you to find FOF, generally asked 2 marker, and relation problem they gave, prove that equivalence, 3 marker, and a 5-mark question, prove that invertible and find inverse. I told weightage is what? 1 marker, 1 2 marker, 1 3 marker, 1 5 marker. If you see any papers, previous year papers, you can see 1 question in part A, 1 question in part B, 1 question in part C and D. A sample question, I have compiled 1 assignment. So now similarly, paper wise, if you take from 2014 to 2019 or 20 paper, every paper you can find 4 questions, 1 marker, 1 2 marker, 1 3 marker, 1 5 marker, like this. Now a sample I have compiled. Please sit and complete this assignment. To complete this assignment, refer my previous sessions. Every type I have done. So without fail, please complete this assignment and become thorough. What I expect from you is simple. Out of 11 marks, you should score all 11 marks in your board exams. So thanks for attending the session. My next session, I will be starting with inverse trigonometric functions. Thank you.